guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amina Saqifa, and in today's episode I'm gonna teach you how to get this flawless evening makeup look. This tutorial is so detailed that even beginners can follow, and it's pretty easy too. I hope you guys like it. Let's get started. Okay, I have already moisturized my face. My next step is Parsley Rose Gold Skin Mist. This is my first primer and also it keeps my skin hydrated. Smells so good. My second primer is Smashbox PhotoFinish Foundation Primer. This is best for oily skin. I love this primer. I like to apply directly on my face. You can also take on your brush or finger, it's up to you. But this is my personal preference. Then massage it gently. I like to massage it with my fingers. You can also use brush, but with fingers you can feel the texture. This primer mattifies my skin and creates velvety smooth base which makes my makeup last longer. Next I'm gonna use Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Correcting Fluid. I'm gonna correct my dark circles and also my dark spots around my mouth and also here, this area. Leave it on for about 30 seconds and then blend it. I'm blending with Beauty Blender. You can use any blending sponge. Be careful not to overblend this. Next I'm gonna use my favorite Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm gonna apply the foundation with brush. You can also use Beauty Blender or any beauty sponge. This is foundation brush 108 from Makeup Forever. Blend it well, and I also like to apply it on my eyelids. Now I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. First I'm going with light medium honey under my eyes, forehead, chin and nose. I want to brighten up my under eyes a bit more, so I'm gonna go with Fair Neutral under my eyes. Now blend with your Beauty Blender. First I like to start with my chin and then forehead, nose, then under eyes. Blend really well. I like to blend it on my eyelid as well because this acts like an eye primer. Now I'm gonna bake this with Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I also like to bake my nose, my forehead and chin. Let it bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's do our brows. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. Next I'm gonna set my brows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. With Sigma Beauty F06 powder brush, I'm gonna dust it off. Now I'll start with the eyes. Contouring and blush I'll do it later. Now I'm gonna take Shadow Shield and stick it under my eyes. Only remove the top backing paper like this and we're gonna stick it like this. Now let's zoom in so that you can get better view of my eyes.
First I'm using the Inglot Gel Liner number 77 to create a winged liner with the Sigma Beauty Wing Liner brush number E06. Now I'm gonna smudge it with the Sigma Beauty Pencil Brush E30. Make sure you smudge it quickly or else it will get hard and it will be difficult to smudge then. Now in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry eyeshadow palette, first with the dystopian shade, I'm going to create a smoky effect. Then I'm gonna apply the shade Bloom to my whole eyelid and blend it in with the smoky liner, and for this I'm using the Sigma Beauty blending brush E25. I'm blending it in circular motions and blend it until there are no harsh lines. Now I'm gonna apply the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner on my eyelids with the Zoeva Precise Shader Brush 238. We don't want too much glitter on the lids, so a bit is more than enough. With the same brush, I'm gonna apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter on my brow bones. Now I'm gonna blend my highlighter and crease color with the Sigma Beauty blending brush E36.
Now let's take this off.
Now with the pencil brush, first I'm gonna blend Bloom under my eyes, and next I'm gonna blend in the shade Dystopian. Next I'm using the Huda Beauty Lash Glue for my falsies. Only apply it to the thickness of your lash band, not more than that.
Next I'm gonna use my favorite Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara.
I'm applying mascara to blend in my real lashes and my falsies.
Now I'm gonna use Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline Eye Pencil. This is my final step for eyes. Now I'm gonna contour my face with Anastasia Beverly Hills Light to Medium Contour Kit. I'm gonna take shade Fawn with small contour brush F05 from Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna contour under my cheekbone, my jawline, and my nose. Now it's blush time. I'm gonna use Benefit Cosmetics Cheekleader Pink Squad. I'm gonna take California with large angle contour brush F40 from Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna apply the blush on the apples of my cheeks and my chin. Next I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter with Sigma Beauty tapered highlighter brush F35. I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid bow, and chin. As you guys know, I like to be a little extra, so I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb Highlighter. I like to apply it with my finger. Ooh, look at that sparkle. Next is my favorite Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade Sugar Mama.
This is one of my favorite lipsticks. It's super long lasting and I think it really suits me. What do you think about this? And these lipsticks don't need lip liners because these ones are great for creating lip shapes.
Now I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk Lip Gloss.
To apply this, I'm using the Sigma Beauty Lip Brush L05. You can apply this lip gloss on top of any lip color. Alright, this is the final result. I really like how this came out. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. And I also hope you found these steps easy to follow. Please like, share and comment down below what look you want to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn bell notifications on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram username is Amina Saqifa, and if you decide to recreate this look, then do tag me in your post. You can also find me on Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter, and everywhere you can find me as Amina Saqifa. And if you like this makeup look, then make sure to watch my other tutorials as well, and do like them too. Thanks for watching, take care and stay safe.